Ready to transform your business data into actionable insights? First, head over to Looker Studio. You can simply search it on Google or enter the URL. If you have a Google account, you are ready to go. If not, create one. Click on the Create button in the top left corner and select Report. This will launch a new blank report for you to customize. Now, you will need to connect your data source. Looker Studio offers a wide range of connectors. Let's go with Google Sheets. For now, choose your desired sheet and connect. Once connected, Looker Studio will automatically populate a basic table with your data. From here, you can customize this table or add different charts and graphs to visualize your information. Click at a chart to explore the different visualization options. Choose the one that best represents the data you want to analyze. A bar graph may be a good start. Now comes the most important part. In the right panel, you can customize your visualization. Choose what to show on the X and Y axis, change colors, and so much more. Remember, it is all about using what makes sense for your business. Congratulations, you have now created a basic report. In Looker Studio, you can continue to add more pages, visualizations, and filters to create a truly comprehensive and insightful dashboard. Unleash the power of data.